Hello folks. In this episode of One Paper, 1 Minute, we'll be talking about our paper about the collision between continents and the opportunity that it offers for mineralization processes. We went to northeastern Australia to study the final boundary associated with the 1.6 billion years old collision between the Australian Curtin and Laurentian, and where gold, silver, lead and zinc deposits have been found. Here we applied the zircon uranium lead and sericite argon dating techniques on samples from drill cores recovered directly from the Empress suture zone. Our results suggest that the Empress suture zone likely represents the elusive final boundary between the two colliding continents. We also show that this area was mineralized 1.55 billion years ago during the collision, and again about 250 million years ago, demonstrating that easy crystal pathways are particularly fertile for mineral exploration. Take it easy folks, and see you next time.